Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how to buy FastComet domain and shared hosting plan. We will also provide you the latest coupons of FastComet. By using the coupon codes, you will get up to 70 to 75% discount on FastComet shared hosting plans. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without wasting any time, let's start the video. Step number 1. Visit on the first link which is given in the description of this video. You will redirected to this page. Then click on this button to select a shared hosting plan. There are 3 plans available here. If you are a beginner and want to create multiple websites and do lots of experiments as well, then the second plan is best for you. But if you are a starter and want to create a simple, responsive website or a WordPress blog, then you can choose the first plan for yourself. Since it is a tutorial video, I will choose the first plan. Once you do that, you have to find a domain for yourself. Find a suitable domain name for yourself. Type your domain name here, and then click on Get this domain. You will redirect to this page. This is the order confirmation page. Here you have to give your personal information like your name, email, address and your country name, etc. Then scroll down. Here you will see the product information. Here you can see your plan name, the data center and the duration of your plan. You can change your data center if you want. You can also change the duration of the plan as well. Then simply scroll down. You will see some extra expenses information, such as the domain registration charges and domain privacy charges. Then you have to put your payment information here. You can pay using PayPal or using your credit or debit card. Then comes the best part. You will see the promo code section here. Here you can put a promo code and get huge discounts on your order. You have to enter this promo code here. This promo code will give you 75% discount on your order. If you want more promo codes, then you can visit to the website from the second link which is given in the description of this video. There you will get the latest FastComet promo codes that will give you up to 70% discounts on your order. Then simply tick these boxes and then click on Complete Order button. That's all about how to buy FastComet domain and hosting with huge discount. I hope you liked this video. If you really liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video.